Hello guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about this type of Mobicels. There's a video that I did on this phone. People, they seem not to understand, so today I'll be also explaining step by step. So okay, let's see. Then do not copy. So, use account, say verify with your pin. So your device was blah blah blah, you know the story. Obviously there is no next. It wants you to put a phone number or email. Okay, let's go back. So on home, let's change language, and I put Pychan, and then I'll confirm them, and then I come on emergence, and then there, and then on the pin, and then on the pin again, and then on the info, and then I press and hold. Yeah, press and hold, and then it shows this. I press them, and then here, and then the first right arrow, and then 3 dots, and then second one, to load, and then on the first one, just click the first one. Let's see what is there, and then we want to share arrow, and then we share with Google Go. It will open Google Go, and then we use the second one, use without Google account, of course, you know that one. And then there, and then you type. First, let's change language before we type. Yeah, and then FRP bypass. Okay. No, I say add ROM, just FRP bypass, and then RAM stage. That's my favorite. And then let's press on 3 dots so we can go to Chrome. That's the reason, because we cannot set up our password here on Google Go. We need to open Chrome now. That's why we come here, we select those 3 dots, these 3 dots, and then that's with the arrow. It's a sign that says open Chrome. It's open Chrome. So let's open Chrome there. Agree, and then we'll continue without. Yes, it's opening the website that we searched on Google Go. So now let's look for open lock screen, and then let's use pattern. First one is pattern, and then yes, and then oops, what's going on there? Let me cancel that one. Yes. Okay. All right. Confirm. And then okay, and then okay. Now that's it, guys. Now take a note. It was asking for a pin, right? And then we put a pattern now. So if I lock here, and then I unlock, now it will ask for what? For a pin. And then okay. All right, let me restart. Now you restart your phone. And restart your phone. This is Mobicel something. We check now for you. It's restarting now. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Every time I get an opportunity to show you something, whatever you ask, someone might say this phone, we want big phones. Big phones are difficult to open, guys. You need tools. Whenever I'm opening a big phone, most of the time I do it online. So if you want me to do videos about that, you can also let me know. So most what I put in this channel is for what you can do yourself for free. That doesn't need a third party where you need to deposit money somewhere. Here it's 100% legit, for free, 100%, no scam. So if you want me to do videos referring some services that I trust, you let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, now you see I use the password to unlock, even though I was talking, but it's open now. So what it asks now, we need to go back to English. Let's choose South Africa. From South Africa, start, skip, and look, it's still locked, but don't worry, it's still locked. There's still a key there. Be patient with it to eventually go to the next stage. Do not copy. Radius in the center. Now remember, it was asking for pin, now it's pattern. So which pattern? The one that was just bypassed with it now. So let's confirm the pattern. Now we got skip. Skip, and then that key will disappear. If you say skip, now the key is gone. So congratulations, if you reached here, you've successfully opened your Mobicel. I think it's Mobicel Trend or something. I'll confirm for you now. It's Mobicel Trend or something. And let's check system. No, not there. Oh, okay. I think it's right there. Advanced. Mobicel Geo. That's Mobicel Geo. So congratulations, you have bypassed your Mobicel Geo. Now remove the password. If the phone is for a client, make sure you remove the password. Disconnect your Wi-Fi. And you remove your account if you have used your Google account. Those are three important things. The battery says Mobicel firm though, but it's the same thing, I believe. Oh well, it's Mobicel Geo. So Mobicel firm Geo is the same motherboard, same battery, same software, which means same trick. Okay guys, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.